This video contains the ultrasound scans of two different patients, both having liver masses. This is the scan of first patient. Gallbladder is normal, but a huge hyperechoic mass can be seen in right lobe. Hyperechoic lesion with hypoechoic rim or halo. Another lesion that is hypoechoic or low echogenic in left lobe anterior side of the liver. This lesion roughly measures about 6 centimeters in diameter. Look at the right kidney. This is normal, containing no abnormal solid or cystic lesion or stone or hydronephrosis, etc. Now the video of second patient starts. This is second patient. Look at the liver texture that is hyperechoic or increased echogenicity. Look at gallbladder fluid around it, pericholecystic edema. This is the lesion in liver near gallbladder. This is mainly isoechoic to hyperechoic, so it is difficult to see because of its isoechogenicity, that is equal to liver. Hypertension, portal hypertension also can be seen. Portal vein measures about 17 millimeter. This patient presents with CLD, portal hypertension, massive splenomegaly, pericholecystic edema, and ascites. This patient was a chronic hepatitic patient. This patient was 60 years old male patient. Kidneys of this patient were also normal. The iso to hyperechoic lesion of this patient was about 6 centimeter in diameter. Arrow show another lesion in right lobe of the liver. There are two masses in this patient with CLD, chronic liver disease. Now, this is spleen. You can see this is covering the whole screen. Spleen measures about 17 centimeter in AP length. Left kidney of this patient was absolutely normal. Free fluid in abdominal and pelvic cavities can also be seen easily. This is urinary bladder, posterior side and anterior side floating bowel with ascites can easily be noted.